We are on a 2-night stop in Leavenworth, Washington. And it's a little bit like a Disneyland town. Little town, it's a quiet village. Oh, you're dressed like Belle.
Wrong country.
Oh, that's true.
That's France. This is Bavaria.
So this whole town has really gotten into this whole thing. Even signs that are normally familiar to us have been Bavarianized.
Like stop signs?
No. Like McDonald's and Starbucks.
Yeah. Starbucks and Safeway.
And Safeway and Napa.
Oh, yeah, the Napa one's weird. A Bavarian waffle.
A Bavarian waffle.
So they say.
It doesn't look like, it doesn't waffle-esque at all. But hey.
Maybe it's the same as like Disney when they say that this is poutine.
Whoa, it like totally squished out.
That's pretty good.
This is the Blackbird Inn.
It's not a hotel.
It looks like a castle. And it is now my life's ambition to come and stay here in winter during the Christmas season. Because that would be incredible.
Disneyfied Bavaria.
Well, Ryan's been to Bavaria, and he said it has a lot of similarities.
Yes, it's very much the spirit of it.
Including the blue striped pole.
Yep, including the blue striped pole. But it's all just that sort of mix. German Alps. Out of nowhere, a storm rolled through. So we drove out to see if we could see it, and it got windy, and now it's pouring rain.
There goes some lightning. Oh, that was more. Holy boy! A minute ago I could see the river out there, and now... Is that hail? There's hail.
Probably get going.
Yeah, we should probably leave. Is this what you meant when you said you wanted a storm?
This is crazy.
For a second there, I was like, we're gonna have vents in our car.
That's why I wanted to move. Move a little bit and you might get some different hail.
And the storm is breaking. I like how there's like a very distinct line. The storm is over there, but it's not over there. Kind of had to.